Hey guys, today's set is full of the coolest gadgets that are worth buying. What about a 3D rotating sphere you can build by yourself? Or a sound reactive LED mask that feels the music? Stay till the end. Those who watch the video till the end can take part in our giveaway and win one of the cool gadgets from this video. Are you either a TikTok or an Instagram talent? Here's an incredibly mobile and easy-to-use phone gimbal which will take your social media to the next level. The Smooth X weighs like your phone and can easily fit in your bag or even a regular pocket. It unfolds in a matter of seconds. That means you'll never miss a great shot. It rotates immediately for landscape and portrait shooting, and the grip extends when needed. There's also a dedicated app that lets you edit your gallery like a pro. Feel free to choose between different modes like time-lapse, slow-mo, or panoramic view. One more useful feature is gesture recognition. If you need some distance, just make a simple gesture with your hand to take a perfect shot. Thanks to the smart object tracking, your camera will automatically follow whoever you want to shoot so that they never get off screen. In fact, the Smooth X turns your phone into a little filmmaking robot. No wonder people are already making movies with their phones. And all this for such a great price. Which tablet is a perfect mix of performance and reasonable price? What about Dragon Touch Notepad K10? A stunning ISP display, micro HDMI support, quad-core processor with 2 GB RAM and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi offer the smooth performance of any activity. Surfing the internet, running light games, or playing videos, 8-megapixel rear camera and 2-megapixel front camera make it possible to contact with friends and families who live apart. With built-in GPS module, even offline navigation is possible. And with the 5,000 mAh battery, you won't need a power cord for quite a long time. So cool! Click the link in the description and get one for the discounted price. Unleash your creativity to the fullest and grow your setup with the Nanoleaf Canvas. Place the panels together into any desired shape and customize your lighting with the Layout Assistant in the Nanoleaf app. One of 16 million colors will match your interior and your needs perfectly. Exclusive Layout Detect technology enables color animations to flow intelligently between panels based on your layout. It's a plug-and-play light that makes life easier right out of the box. Its edge-lit design, Lego-like setup, built-in rhythm technology for real-time music sync, touch and voice control across platforms transform your home from smart to intelligent. The screen mirror feature creates an immersive theater-like experience from the comfort of your own home for a complete multi-sensory experience. Touch the light squares with your palm and watch the scene react dynamically. You can even play touch games with the palm of your hand. It's the most technologically advanced piece of art you've ever seen. No one enjoys working in a stuffy place with no windows on a hot summer's day. This super cool clock is here to wipe that sweat off your brow. Not literally, but it could prevent this ever happening. Plug the LED clock fan into any USB port, and it'll power the fan to send a cool breeze your way. As the fan blades are spinning, the cleverly aligned red and green LEDs clearly display the time on a standard analog clock face with moving hour, minute, and second hands. The soft fan blades provide super safe use even if you accidentally fall into the spinning blades fingers first. It won't hurt, but it will create an interesting noise. The flexible iron gooseneck allows you to direct the LED clock fan in any direction at any height, so you get the cool breeze exactly where you want it. Cool. All for one and one for all. It's not just a unifying motto, but a perfect description of this pen. Seriously. Could you ever imagine an ordinary pen that could perform 9 functions? Got a parcel? Use it as a box cutter. Last-minute party with colleagues? The pen will open the bottles. It can even be used as a file, a level, a stylus, a mini flathead, a Phillips screwdriver, a metric and inch ruler. And as a ballpoint pen, of course. And now for the icing on the cake. It's durable, it's smart, it's portable. Inspector Gadget can go to hell. Here's an interesting thing to play with for those who have some electronic knowledge and ability. It's an LED rotating sphere that not only glows, but also shows interesting pictures and even a clock. And you have to build it. The set is quite big. Coils, wires, nuts, cables. After mounting the small parts, you can proceed to the main assembly. When you're done with your masterpiece, use a USB cable to connect to any power source. Then press the power button and enjoy the results of your work. You can upload your own images, by the way. The coolest toy for the coolest people. Hiya! Here's the power of 18 reliable and functional everyday tools in the size of a credit card. Wallet Ninja is definitely a great device to fit in the wallet. A unusual credit card that includes 6 hex wrenches, a can opener, bottle opener, standard and metric ruler, box opener, phone stand, skateboard and eyeglass screwdriver. I could go on for a long time. So thin, yet so functional accessory. If you get this thing, any domestic problem won't be a problem anymore. Look at this mini basketball game for all ages and skill sets. Cherry on top, you can play indoors. Its size makes it possible to practice your dunks anytime and anywhere, such as the office, bedroom, and dorms. Take this thing to the office and dunk the ball to relax yourself and reduce the tension. 2 suction cups make it easy to set up and remove, no drilling. All you need is a little water and a little physical strength to stick the cups to the surface firmly. And yes, from now on, bad weather is not an obstacle anymore. Chopping smelly foods like onions and garlic tend to leave their scent behind, and washing your hands with soap and water doesn't truly remove the smell. With this soap, you can finally rid your hands of food smelly odors. It's not magic, it's science. The rub-away bar is made from lightweight stainless steel. The molecules in the steel bind with the sulfur molecules on your hands, thus transferring the molecules, along with the smell, to the metal and off from your hands. Just rub it between your hands like a traditional soap, underwater for 30 seconds. Since it's made from high-quality stainless steel, you'll never need to replace it like a normal bar of soap. Party lovers and festival attendees can get their glow on, especially at night, thanks to these LED fiber optic clothes. The clothes battery is easily rechargeable with USB access and powers on a low voltage, so no need to worry about the jacket or LED mask smoking up in the middle of your dance party. Another awesome feature is that it's remote controlled, so you can have a fun time charging the lights or have a friend do it for you. So you can focus on wowing the crowd with your correlating dance moves. By using an app, wearers have complete Bluetooth control over different colors and the 3 unique pulse modes the fiber optic jacket can be set in. These LED lights can also be put into a sound reactive mode that's using the sound from the environment to change its colors. Cool, huh? So if you plan to go for the next White Nights or another music festival, don't forget to take this awesome fiber optic staff with you. Want to win a Nanoleaf Canvas? Join our giveaway, subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer could choose you as the winner. If the video collects 1,000 likes before the next video, we'll announce the winner. All the info is in the description below. Good luck, everyone!